two other marquee tools, the single row and the single column. Now, apart from this one effect that I'm about to show you, I really haven't found a decent need to use these. Let's do the single row marquee tool to show you how that works. I'm going to hide my two copies and go back to my original image. And I want to pick this yellow here. Notice that it does in fact make a single pixel selection. Look how tiny those pixels are. And there's that single row selected. Zoom out again. I have my layer active. I'm going to hit Command C, Command V, and I'm going to hide my original layer. And there you can see that tiny sliver of pasted color, those pasted pixels. I'm going to go to my Move tool, and this is really the only if you hold Shift down, you can stretch those pixels so you get bands of color like such, right? Remember, I copied that yellow, so it's a band of that yellow paint that I copied over. So that's one option. Let's look at that single column marquee. Now the column marquee, I already know, single column, I already know that this is going to be more dynamic because I have all of these colors within this selection. I have this magenta, the red, the blues, the black, and the white. I'm going to go back to copy, paste. Notice I've copied and pasted from that original layer. I'm going to turn off my original layer onto my new layer. Go to my Move tool. I got my bounding box there. It shows me my box there. I'm going to hold Shift down and stretch those colors. Really cool and effective way to get a background, a dynamic background of striping. Other than that, I've really never found a creative use, or maybe I haven't just spent long enough with it, but really haven't found any other use for these single row or single column marquee tools. But anyway, a cool effect nonetheless.